How to lock the exposure on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the camera application on your phone. Here, you can choose different optical lenses which let you change the field of view and zoom level of your photo. Switch to the front camera by tapping on the rotation arrow icon. Here, make sure that the flash is set to auto mode. After that, tap and hold on the desired focus area on the screen until AE or AF lock appears. This feature locks both the auto exposure and autofocus settings, preventing the camera from automatically adjusting the brightness and focus. Now, take the picture with the locked exposure and view it opening your gallery. Following these steps, you can easily lock the exposure on your phone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.